This video was generated inside Claude. I know this is not possible because Claude cannot create videos or images until today. So here's what's happening. Claude is insanely good at thinking, planning, and writing, but it has this massive limitation, which is it cannot create the images or videos inside the chat. But now that changes. There is this new MCP connector from Higgsfield, and it's basically giving the Claude wings. Now the Claude can generate videos, images, all inside a chat. What this means is you don't need to switch tabs, you don't need to copy paste the prompts and everything. That friction is gone. So let me show you exactly how to set this up. So you have to go to Claude.ai, you will be on here, and then click on the profile, click on settings, and then you have to click on connectors, and then you have to click on the add custom connector. Now we need these details, right? So for this thing, you have to go to the Higgsfield.ai/MCP. This is the page that you're going to be landing on. We have different options. Since we are doing this on Claude, you can also do this on OpenClaw, Hermes, or NemoClaw, but let's do this on Claude. So click on this URL, custom URL, go back to Claude. In the name, we'll just write Higgsfield, okay? And then I will just paste that URL and click on add. Simple. And then it will be connected in here. Then you have to click on connect. It will take you to the page to allow, basically connecting the Higgsfield with the Claude. So click on allow, and then this will be connected. As you can see here, connected to Higgsfield. Perfect. Now we don't need to do anything with that, so go back to the chat, start the chat. Now let's ask the chat, hey, do you have access to Higgsfield? Perfect. As you can see here, it said yes, I have access to that. You can generate images and videos directly right here. Okay, so let's test this. I'm going to ask Claude to generate an image. Okay. Hey, create a cinematic product image of a luxury skin brand. Hit send. Okay. As you can see here, it's loading for the tools. That means it is exploring the models from the Higgsfield, means it is connected. Then it's going to look for the models automatically, which is going to be best fitted for this. Well, you can even ask to, use any model that you want to ask. Right now, it automatically used the Flux 2.0 Pro, and it is generating the image. As you can see, it's directly inside the chat, which was not possible, inside the Claude, right? So it means we have just given an extra power to the Claude. So let's wait. Let's see the image. As you can see here, this is the image that it has created. Let's be more specific. Now, I'm gonna be asking him to generate another image for the UGC. See, I was just being directly whatever came to my mind. I'm just giving the information to the Claude. It's doing its own thing. So it will use my information, turn that into a proper format, the prompt, and give it to the Higgsfield, and it will generate an image. As you can see here, it is in process. I think if this image turns out to be good, we can turn this image into a video. Let's do that. Let's wait for this one. Well, here you go. The image has been generated. This is the product. This is the image, the blonde. She's in her bedroom. Perfect. This is insanely looking cool. But the one problem is the product does not have any branding because I didn't say so. So we can fix that. That's not a problem. But let's try to generate a video of something. Let's just do that. Hey, convert this image into a UGC style video. Have the character talk about the benefits of the product, and add a label to the product as it's missing in the product as of now. So you can see here, it says, I need to generate the video, but I need to grab an image. So it has automatically added the image. It's showing the generations. So it's being, now it's adding the, this is literally insane. Normally I asked him to generate a video, but I also mentioned that add the label inside the on the product. So that means first it has to generate a video image by adding the label, right? And then it has to generate a video. So it's right now doing the generation of image, as you can see in progress. So I think once, okay, we have another thing as well. The image has been generated with the label, as you can see here, right? So now also at the same time it is using the same image to generate a video. I mean, this is insane. I mean, this will change the entirely the content creation game. Whenever you're doing any kind of campaigns, this is gonna change a lot of things. It is being able to do all of those things directly inside the chat. That's impossible. That was impossible, like, I think 4 or 5 days ago. Okay, so the video has been generated. Let's click on play.
Okay, so I've been using this glow serum for 2 weeks and my skin has never looked better. It's super hydrating, fades dark spots, and gives...
Perfect. This is literally cool. So I think let's try something else. Let's try to create the fight scene using Seedance 2.0. Since you guys already know that the best model as of now for creating the cinematic videos is Seedance 2.0. Okay, so I have the prompt, so I'm gonna be pasting that prompt in here. And now, yeah, I think let's just hit send and let's wait for this to finish, because this is gonna take a little bit of time. I think 1 or 2 minutes, because it's Seedance. It's gonna take time to generate a video. So as you can see here, it has loaded the model Seedance 2.0. Okay, so perfect, the video has been finished. Let's just play the video. Wow, this is crazy. So yeah, we can just, oh yeah, one more thing I forgot to tell you this. We can simply download the video. Click on download, open the link. It is going to open the video here, and then click on download. We are done. It's gonna download the video. All right, I think this is it. So I'm gonna put a link in the description if you guys want to try it out. So go to the link, open it, and then connect this MCP with your Claude, and also comment about what you guys are going to build with this MCP inside the Claude. I want to know, I'm curious. If you guys like the video, please leave a like and share, and also subscribe to the channel. That means a lot to me. And thank you so much for the love and support that you guys have shown on the recent video, the Seedance video that I just recently posted. And I'm really thankful for that. And yeah, and about the resources that I have used on this video, basically all of the prompts and everything that I used in this video will be also in the description. And so yeah, this is me signing off. Have a good day. Bye bye.